how to add volume indicator in XM trading. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, when you try to search for volume indicators over here, you won't be able to find any because there are only price indicators over here. So in order to find, you can simply open up the section of more over here and then scroll down till you find this option of platforms, and over here you would be able to find this option of MT5 platform or MT4, which is MetaTrader. Simply click on it and it will open up this way. Now you can simply download it, and after downloading it on your device, you can follow these steps in order to get the indicators on your MetaTrader, and this way you might be able to find the volume indicator. Otherwise, you would have to connect other platforms to XM trading in order to get the volume indicators, and these are the only ways. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.